Hello my gems, this is Shelly and in today's video I'm going to review the very famous Neogen Real Ferment Micro Essence and the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. And as I review these products in today's video, I will let you know whether for me they have lived up to the hype or not, and whether I prefer one over the other, and what you should be expecting from these products when you're using in your skincare routine, and lot more things about this product. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So at first I will be reviewing the Neogen Real Ferment Micro Essence, and this has a very lightweight consistency. Like moment you apply it on your skin, it sinks in immediately without any stickiness or without any heavy feeling. Like even if you layer this micro essence 3-4 times, it's not gonna feel heavy or sticky on skin. Like it is that lightweight. If you have used any mist toner, the consistency of this micro essence is just slightly viscous than any mist toner, and this is in fact the most lightweight essence that I've used till date. And in this product they have mainly used the combination of various fermented ingredients in good 93%. They have used the Bifida Ferment Lysate, which is a probiotic, and this is going to like hydrate your skin and repair your skin barrier. Also they have used the Saccharomyces Ferment Filtrate, which is again going to like moisturize your skin, soothe your skin. And also they have used the Rice Ferment Filtrate, which is a really good ingredient to brighten your skin tone, to soothe your skin, and to provide that anti-aging benefit. So formulation wise, this Neogen Micro Essence is really good. It is 100% essential oil free, it is 100% carrier oil free, and also this is 100% fragrance free. But if you have fungal acne issue, try out the sample first, because the formula of this micro essence is not fungal acne safe. And this micro essence can safely be used on a daily basis for both morning routine and night routine, and also you can combine it with any of your active based serum or any other product. So you can use this at the toner step, also you can use it at the essence step. I have been using it as the essence. Like I would clean my face, use my toner, then apply 2-3 layers of this micro essence, and then follow up with my serums, eye cream and moisturizer. Now let me share my experience with this Neogen Micro Essence. Like I have used this for a good amount of time. Like the bottle is empty, hardly 2-3 usages are left in this, and I had very high expectation from this Neogen Micro Essence because of the formulation, because of the hype around it. I think this Micro Essence was launched in 2018, and I got my hands on it at that time itself, and moment like I got it at home I saw the formulation and checked that it has fermented ingredients in it, like too many fermented ingredients. Like an idiot, I didn't check the formulation beforehand. I just got very excited and bought the product. And so fermented ingredients are like, sometimes they work for me, sometimes they give me breakouts. So I have this very hit and miss relationship with fermented ingredients. So this is why I was very scared to use this. Like I didn't even open this product till 2020. I decided to use it like in 2020 only. For the experience, like I'm very happy with the fact that this did not cause any kind of breakout or irritation on my skin, and it has worked very safely on my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin. But at the same time, I did not notice any kind of result on my skin. I did not find it hydrating, like the product claims it to be very deeply hydrating in nature. Like for example, if my skin is feeling very dehydrated, this is not the product that I'm going to use for my skin. And also I have not noticed any kind of brightening effect. I have not noticed any kind of dewy or healthy or honey skin effect on my skin. Like this product literally didn't do anything for my skin. Like I'm so unsettled with this fact that I'm planning to try another bottle of this, because mine is the older version. And I guess in 2019, yeah, in 2019 they repackaged it. Like formula looks same as this one, but I really wonder if there is any difference or not. So I might give another try to this product. but at the same time I feel that this Neogen Micro Essence is going to be a fantastic option for people who have oily skin or who have like combination oily skin. You people should definitely give this a try, because keeping the fermentation part aside, this has a formula which is quite similar to the Rovectin one. So for oily skin people, if I have to recommend a very good product to hydrate your skin but at the same time it's not very sticky or heavy on skin, this is the product for you. Like you people should definitely check this out. Whereas if you have skin type which is like normal dry and combination dry sort of skin type, like you all can check this out. Like if you are interested in trying out this product, get it only during the peak summer time and the monsoon time. For those season it's going to be perfect. And for overall personal experience, I'm going to rate it as 3.5 out of 5. Like I still cannot settle with the fact that this did not show any result on my skin. And the next product is the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water, and this comes in a plastic bottle packaging and is quite affordable for the ginseng based product. And the consistency of this essence is quite lightweight, but it does have that slip to it and is little bit thicker than the Neogen Micro Essence. And this essence uses a good concentration of ginseng. Like they have used the 80% of ginseng water, and also they have used the ginseng root extract, they have used the ginseng ferment filtrate, and literally everything of the ginseng plant. And this is a really good thing, because higher the concentration of ginseng in your skincare product, better you will be seeing the result on your skin. And I personally love the ginseng as an ingredient because it does lot of for your skin. Like it is rich in antioxidants, so it helps in fighting the free radical damage. It also brightens up your skin tone. It also firms the skin, nourishes the skin, and helps in maintaining that healthy skin oil water ratio. So ginseng has an ingredient, it's like a complete food for your skin, and it's a really good ingredient to check out. And apart from the goodness of the ginseng, this also contains other good ingredients like 2% niacinamide, which is going to like help in calming your skin and reduce the sebum in your skin. It also contains licorice, panthenol, allantoin, and adenosine to further calm your skin. So formulation wise, again a fantastic product. And also I'm very happy with the fact that this is 100% essential oil free, this is 100% carrier oil free, and also this is 100% fragrance free. Like it does have that natural earthy scent to it because of the formulation, but again it's very mild, and once you apply it on your face it goes away completely. And the other good thing is that this is 100% fungal acne safe. So all the people out there who needs a good product which is like safe on your fungal acne issue, this is the product you can definitely check out. And for the usage, this can safely be used on a daily basis for both morning and night routine. And if you are using any active based serum like your vitamin C, niacinamide, retinol, peptide, or any other concentrated serum, you can safely combine it with this essence. And again, like this can be used at the toner step. You can also use it like the essence. I have been using it like the essence. Like I would clean my face, use my toner, then apply 2-3 layers of this ginseng essence, and then follow up with my serums, eye cream, and moisturizer. Now let me share my experience with this ginseng water. Like I have been using this for almost 2 months or so, and I'm straight away gonna say that I'm in love with this product. So this ginseng water claims to be like a simple hydrating and lightweight nourishing treatment for your skin, but for my dry, sensitive, and acne prone skin, this has worked beyond that. So this ginseng water has definitely improved the hydration level of my skin, and also it has added that healthy glow on my skin. And if I had any minor acne marks, like not very deep ones, some superficial one, this has definitely helped in fading them out. And finally, like if I had some sort of irritation or redness, it has also calmed it down. So overall this has worked fantastically on my skin. And this ginseng water is suitable for all skin types and for all the weather season. Like you can consider this as ginseng treatment for your skin. and this has worked so good on my skin, and this is why I'm going to rate it as 5 out of 5. And I bought this ginseng water from Daisy Skin Fix. Like, this is the Indian Korean product selling website, and I think at the moment this product is out of stock, so keep your eyes on the website. And in case, like, if you need some discount code, you can use my affiliate discount code. I have included it in the description box below, and if you use that affiliate discount code, you will get the 10% off, and I will get a fraction of commission, so it will help in some earning, so that I can buy some products for you and review it for you people. And so yeah, that's all for today's video, and if you liked it, do give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon, so that whenever I upload my video, you will get notified. And with this said, I will see you in my next video. Bye.